Hello, students of Std-9. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Montbretia. I am here with your same economics chapter number 2, People as Resources. We have seen the two stories of Sakal and Vilas, by which we came to know that proper inputs on human resources, proper investment in human resources can give good products in future. We have seen that Sakal went to school. He was physically strong and healthy. He did not need to visit any doctor. Rather, his father spent money on him for education. After village school, he has went to higher secondary school in the cities. After that, vocational training, for which his father has taken loan and spent on him, which gives fruitful production in future. He became diploma in vocational training. Even he has made one software in computer education by which his company gained maximum profit and for which the management promoted him and given handsome salary. On the other hand, Vilas, we have seen he has taken the same profession of his father and mother and has to spend his life forever with that mere income by selling fees, suffering from arthritis, cannot go to the doctor. So proper investment in human resources can give rise to good production. So investment in human resources, either in terms of education or medical care, can give high rates of return in future. A child too, with investment made on her education and health, can yield a high return in the future in the form of higher earning and greater contribution to society. When people will earn maximum, they will have the tendency of sharing, they will have the tendency of caring for the society. But when the income will be limited, people will only think about themselves and to run their own family. They cannot be a social, if they wanted also, they cannot be so social in the society. This is because they have realized the importance of education for themselves. And that is the reason why every student understood the meaning of education, the importance of education in their life, not only to earn maximum. By earning maximum, they can invest in society. They can be more social social by taking maximum social activities in the society. They are also conscious of proper nutrition and hygiene. Educated person only can think about proper hygiene, proper nutrition. They accordingly look after their children's need. When they will be educated, they will be proper hygiene, they will be nutritious, they will take their nutritious food, they will also provide those things to their children. Then automatically, gradually, the total country, if is educated, is full of educated person, the country will be also highly educated and properly nutritious and hygiene. A virtuous cycle, this is a virtuous cycle, is thus created. Parents to children, then their children in this way. In contrast, a vicious cycle may be created by disadvantaged parent. Just opposite of this can be also thought about if the parents are not so careful, if the parents are not educated, if the parents are ignorant of proper hygiene and nutritious food, what will happen? the country will run into malnutrition, the country will run into non developmental activities. So, uneducated uneducated person will have or lack the sense of hygiene, keep their children in a similar disadvantaged stage. See the example of country like Japan have invested have invested maximum of their resources amount in human resources. They do not have any natural resources. These countries are developed, rich countries, because they have invested on human beings. And human beings, if they are educated, skilled, trained, automatically they can have the ability to earn themselves. They will earn maximum and they can get those resources for eating from outside also. They import the natural resources needed in the country. Now, how did they become rich and developed? They have invested on people, especially in the field of education and health. These people have made efficient use of their resources like land, capital, for other resources. Means these people have made efficient use of other resources like land and capital efficiently in making different types of technology and educational institutions to train the children of their country. And these people have evolved themselves as a more educated, more trained, more efficient person to earn more. And when they earn more, their status became high. And if their status became high, the country's status became high. And the country became at last a developed country, rich country. So this is how people, if we invest on people, if people are educated, if in proper investment is done in human resources, a country can be a developed, hygiene, better nutritious. Thank you.